He got a new friend yesterday. He likes to be snuggled. Yay! This dog is so cute. Guys, these dogs are gonna like make your bad day a good day. This dog is so cute. Really? This 12-week-old St. Bernard, whatever, Bernard, yeah, sat on the counter, waiting or watching, whatever. This dog is cute. Cute. You're my whole world, friend. This dog is saying this to his master or his friend, whatever he thinks. A ridiculously massive doggo spotted on the underground. Massive. But this dog looks happy to me. Guys, मुझे उतना ज़्यादा है नहीं आइडिया डॉग्स के बारे में. Yuki the Pomsky or Pomsky, whatever. But I can see one thing, that this tongue hanging out means this dog is happy. Too happy. Too much happy. Have you ever seen such an adorable Shiba Papa? मैं कुछ बोल भी नहीं पा रही हूँ because I don't have words. Literally, I don't have any words to say for this. Literally, they're killing me. It's so cute. और guys, आप लोगों को कौन से डॉग अच्छे लग रहे हैं, क्यूट लग रहे हैं, मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना. Teeny tiny taffies, yay! Teeny tiny taffies, teeny tiny taffies. This dog is so cute. Wow, cutie pie. Little boy spotted. Where's that little boy? Show me the little boy. Oh, in that bag. That black color bag. Don't tell anyone. It's a secret. Yes, guys. Dog is so cute. The love of a rescued dog. Oh, this means that this dog is rescued and this dog loves his master so much. It's amazing, guys. See, I know that all the animals in the world you keep as a pet, they love you very much. Proud papa. Yes, this puppy looks so proud. I am the proudest puppy ever. Really? I'm the proudest puppy. You know what? My master loves me very much. Snowboy is in natural habitat. Oh, this dog looks so cute while sleeping. Please give me this dog. I just want it. Please. It's so cute. Really, guys. Why are dogs and cats so cute? I don't know why are they so cute. Like father, like son. Okay. Father and son are in the same position and sleeping. Like this. But dogs don't sleep like this, guys. Father and son pictures. Oh, father and son are doing maza. Like, maza karenge. I know मेरी singing बहुत गंदी है, guys. Really sorry, guys. First time at the vet, kinda nervous. This dog looks kinda nervous, but I can't understand कि इस dog की आंखें कहाँ है, guys. It's black and white, no, but looks so cute, and its tail is amazing. It desires spaghetti. The spaghetti is yummy, and the dog is cutie. I just love this dog. I just love it. Okay, the dog's hungry and it wants spaghetti. Yup. Let's see the outro.